Hi guys, I'm in the kitchen today making this delicious avocado on toast with beef bacon. So join me as we make this honestly delicious meal together. We have our bread here, some salt and pepper, the avocados and the bacon. Super simple. So we're going to start with the bacon and we're just going to peel this back and we're just going to lay it into a hot frying pan over here. So I've had that warming up. There's no need for oil, so we can just lay it in there and it will start to render down. I thought the pan was a bit hotter, but it's okay. This is absolutely fine. I can hear it starting to sizzle. So you can definitely see the sizzle and you can see the fat rendering down. And the bacon, we want to make it quite nice and crispy. That's kind of the look we're aiming for there. And this is going to really complement the sort of creaminess of the avocado. You really want a nice bit of crispy bacon to go on top. Okay, so here we are. The bacon is definitely crispy. It's looking really good. And I don't want it to overcook, so I'm just going to take it out so that it stops cooking. And I'm going to save this delicious beef fat, which is also known as tallow, for some mashed potatoes later on instead of butter. We have the bacon. Now we're just going to toast our bread. So you've got your avocado. Careful to hold it safely as you cut and just go around the pip like that. Twist and away it comes. And these beautiful ripe avocados are just perfect for peeling. And then I like to sometimes mash these for avocado on toast, but I also love to just slice them because I think it looks so pretty. I love to just take half an avo like this and slice it thin like this on the toast and then kind of lay it flat. There we go. And then we're just going to simply put a lovely bit of bacon on top, sprinkle on some sesame seeds, and that is it. Super simple, super delicious. And that's how you make yummy avo on toast with beef bacon. Okay, so we're here tasting. Grace?
This is so good. I love it. I don't even know what to say.
Okay, and on that note, remember you can get all of the ingredients on Green Spoon. Thanks for watching and until next time.